It's a big political showdown over eight-phase polling in the state of Bengal announced by the Election Commission. An explosive war has erupted after the Election Commission announced the eight-phase elections schedule. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has launched a blistering attack on the Election Commission and the BJP, questioning whether the poll dates were finalized after consulting with Prime Minister Modi. She also asked whether the eight-phase polls are being held to benefit the BJP. TMC MP Derek O'Brien also didn't mince words, asking whether the poll panel was being meddled with. BJP has meanwhile hit out at Mamata Banerjee. BJP said that Mamata is fearing to lose this time, and that's the reason why she is opposing eight-phase polling. It also accused the TMC of using state administration in influencing voters. Remember, Bengal will witness polls in 8 phases from the 27th of March to the 29th of April, with several districts voting over phases.
আমি সর্বভারতীয় ইলেকশন কমিশনকে আমার অনেক অনেক অভিনন্দন ধন্যবাদ এবং মোবারকবাদ জানাচ্ছি বাধাই জানাচ্ছি যে তারা 5টা রাজ্যের ইলেকশন অ্যানাউন্স করেছে বাংলায় 294টা সিট 8টা ফেজে ইলেকশন কেন কাকে সুবিধা করে দেওয়ার জন্য একটু তো রেশনাল থাকবে ইলেকশন কমিশন We want election commission, we have a highest regards. Now, like election commission, the important body, if they don't give justice to the state and the people, then where the people will go? So our request would be, please see, BJP has the agency power, BJP has the government of India power, but one central government cannot misuse their own power for a state election. And if you do it like this, if you allow it like this, then there will be a big blunder. And then you have to face the music. We are not. We the common people, we will fight out our battle. But I will request the election commission, stop misuse of the money. BJP already sent the money on the district through all the agencies.
जिस तरह की परिस्थितियां पश्चिम बंगाल में बनी है, जिस तरह से प्रशासनिक अमले का दुरुपयोग करते हुए पश्चिम बंगाल में चुनाव को मतदाताओं को प्रभावित करने और उनको भयाक्रांत करने की कवायद की जा रही है, मुझे लगता है कि उसके अनुरूप चुनाव आयोग ने जो निर्णय किया है सबको मिलकर के उसका स्वागत करना चाहिए ताकि लोकतंत्र की पवित्रता सुनिश्चित हो सके।
ये इनका जो नेत्री है ममता बनर्जी ने भी बोल रहा है कि खेला होबे का मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब इन लोगों ने समझ गया कि इनका पास अभी जनता का सपोर्ट नहीं है, आम जनता इनका पीछे नहीं है। इन्होंने जो भी कुछ बोल रहा है ये आम जनता के ऊपर इसका कोई असर नहीं हो रहा है, तो इसलिए ये फिर वोट लूट करने के लिए बोल रहा है। ये निष्पक्ष निर्वाचन नहीं हो उसके लिए बोल रहा है। निर्वाचन कमीशन को हम लोग बोले हैं भारतीय जनता पार्टी से, और हमको लग रहा है कि निर्वाचन कमीशन इस बार ऐसा चुनाव करेंगे जो निष्पक्ष रूप से हो, आबाद हो, शांतिपूर्ण हो, और जनता ने राय दान करने से इसमें ये सरकार परिवर्तन जरूर होगा।
No issue of conducting election in 8th phase or 7th phase or 6th phase is immaterial, but the way election is announced, dividing a district in part 1, part 2, that whether that was necessary or not, I can't pass comment now, but that the reasons behind the decision of part 1, part 2 in a district remain a questionable issue.
Prema is getting us more details on that story. She joins us from Kolkata. Prema, what exactly is the contention of the Trinamool Congress? Because the Election Commission has always maintained that every state has its own requirements. We know that pre-poll violence has been a huge concern in the state of West Bengal, and that's always been the case, isn't it? And that could be one of the reasons why there is 8-phase polling in the state.
Well, Sneha, a 7-phase election is not new to West Bengal. We've seen this in 2016 and 2019 as well during the Lok Sabha elections. Now, this time it's an 8-phase election, and the Election Commission has taken into account the reports they have got in terms of the pre-poll violence and, of course, the BJP's concerns as well. But the Trinamool Congress and Mamata Banerjee look at it as the Election Commission, whether they are working at the behest of the Saffron Party. As far as the 8-phase election is concerned, the left says it's not concerned whether it is a 6-phase or an 8-phase election, but why should certain districts be polling in a divided manner? Why should there be polling in certain districts on one day, one part of it on one day and another part of it on another day? And that is also a question raised by Mamata Banerjee. She is raising this particular point as to whether it is a way to break the spirit of the Trinamool Congress, because, for example, South 24 Parganas, and that's the example that she brought up, it's a Trinamool Congress stronghold, and why should elections be held there in on three different days? So Mamata Banerjee here questioning the Election Commission's move, also wondering whether the BJP really has a hand in this. But in the midst of all this, Neha, we cannot forget that that violence in Bengal is not new during the elections, before and even after the elections. And in fact, if we look at the 2018 Panchayat elections, the BJP also had gone to the court raising concerns about the violence during the Panchayat elections. So keeping all this in perspective, putting all this in perspective, the Election Commission looked at having an 8-phase election in West Bengal. Back to
Yes,
Neha.
absolutely. Prima, thanks for getting us up to speed with that. The Election Commission, of course, has indicated that it has its own reasons why there should be 8-phase polling in the state.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.